Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Every year in March, a lot of artists take part in a great art challenge, which is March of Robots. It's very similar to Inktober, where you draw 31 ink drawings in 31 days, while here you have to draw 31 robots in 31 days. But unfortunately, I don't have time to draw 31 robots in 31 days. But I still want to make one cool robot illustration in honor of this cool art challenge. I thought to myself, what better to draw for this amazing art challenge than a whole march of robots. Let's go. So I had the idea of taking the name of this art challenge literally and draw a ton of robots marching through the streets of a dystopian city. Are these robots friendly or are they the enemy? I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments. This image of this army of robots is for me an artistic representation of the current events in the world today, and I would like to dedicate this one to an artist I follow for quite some time now. Her name is Katerina Belikova, or better known as Ninja Joe Art on YouTube and Instagram. She's an amazing artist specialized in cyberpunk and robot illustrations, and I'm a huge fan of her work. Recently, life turned for the worse for her, as she lives in Ukraine, which has been invaded by the Russian army a few weeks ago. I can't imagine what she must be going through at the moment, but I hope there will become an end to this horrible situation soon. Please go check out her Instagram page or her YouTube channel and give this amazing artist your love and support. I'm sure it will mean a lot. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Immediately when I started working on this one, I knew I was in trouble. Drawing all these robots in my detailed style would take forever. There are more than 50 robots in this scene and it took me well over 8 hours to draw them without the colors. But in the end, I can say it was worth it. I always liked pieces with a lot of characters and I think I will try more of these in the future. I could see myself draw a piece like this with a whole bunch of ninjas or a huge team of Marvel characters like the X-Men. What do you guys think? If you have any suggestions for me on what to draw, always feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I read all the comments on my videos and you will always get a response, I promise. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is inking time. Here we go. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing for March of Robots, and if you like the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!